All right, GBMC, thanks for the quick fill and payments. This is the video to find the winner of my Brett Favre Auto Plus Inscription #1. So yes, there will be another coming. We'll check time, January 2nd, 5:57 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have January 2nd, 5:57 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ollie. Spot number 5 is your winner. So Ollie, please get with me to collect your Favre Auto and Inscription. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 2nd, 5:58 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.